it's your girl Tianna and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be reacting to another Stray Kids MV for the very first time. So you guys, I want to call it by its name, but I can't read that. I have no idea what it is. I just know it's new and I'm ready to go ahead and get into some more Stray Kids. So I'm super excited about this MV, even though I don't know what it's called. So I don't even know what to expect. But you guys, I'm just ready to go ahead and get into this video. So if you're ready to watch this with me, go ahead and hit that like button and that subscribe button if you haven't already. And let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, hold on, I can't right now. Okay, hold on. It's been so long! I just love them. Oh my goodness, just the way they came on. These outfits, these lyrics, oh my gosh. His look, oh my, I can't. Okay. Yes, let's go. Stop. Oh my god, I can't. Okay. You know I love you.
소리 이거 자꾸 귀찮아서 도리도리 말이 너무 많아 자꾸 나서지 좀 마라 Why you mad, why you sad, why you tick 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 벤주 얼레리 걸레리 멋있는 척들이 얀주
Wow. I gotta watch that whole thing again. I love this MV. I can't move. Everything about this. What is going on? Oh my god. I can't. This is going in my playlist. What is this song called? What is the why? Oh my god, I can't. Why? Hello, your hair. I love the drop. I can't take it. Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay. This video is too much. Oh my gosh. Is there more? You guys, that was so amazing. I'm gonna watch it again. I'm gonna watch it again. So y'all are gonna have to sit here and wait until I watch it again. Because what? 자리는 내가 쳐도 태그로 풍부하게 되기를 북주와 Was he in that book? That's crazy. I didn't even notice that the first time. You are fine. That is so hard. Look at this. Oh, I can't. How? I love you. I love all of you. Stray Kids. Let's go. Stop playing. Oh! I can't. Yes. This shirt. I love this. You guys, I don't think I've ever reacted to an MV and had to just rewatch it again. I'm gonna watch it again, but I'm gonna save that for off camera. That entire music video is amazing. Like the effort they put into it, the vocals, the looks, the choreo, just the lyrics, like everything. That is 100 out of like 5. Like I don't know what to do right now. I love that. That was amazing. I love that song. So you guys, thank you so much for letting me know that Stray Kids had a new song out. I appreciate it. If you have any more things that you want me to react to, please leave those in the comments down below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys next time.